From the vast expanse of space, Earth appears as a vibrant oasis. A swirling sphere of blue and green, it hangs suspended in the void. Our planet teems with life. It's a testament to nature's boundless capacity for creation. Yet even in its tranquility, Earth is not immune to the cosmos's chaotic dance. Out there amongst the stars and galaxies lurk celestial wanderers. Some are small, mere pebbles against the cosmic canvas. Others are colossal, dwarfing entire mountains. Imagine one such celestial giant, a behemoth of rock and ice 10 kilometers wide. This behemoth, an asteroid forged in the early solar system, is hurtling towards us. Our pale blue dot is in its path. The cosmos, in its awe-inspiring grandeur, also reminds us of our planet's fragility. It's a sobering thought, a cosmic reality check. We must face it head-on, for the fate of our world may one day depend on it. Asteroids, the remnants of our solar system's formation, are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. They are cosmic time capsules. They hold clues to the conditions that prevailed billions of years ago. Most reside in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter. These celestial wanderers come in various sizes and compositions. Some are primarily composed of rock, while others contain metals like iron and nickel. Some even harbor water ice, hinting at the potential for life-sustaining resources in the cosmos. Take, for instance, Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt. It's a dwarf planet with a diameter of about 946 kilometers. Then there's Vesta, another giant, showcasing a massive impact crater that speaks volumes about the solar system's violent past. The asteroid we're concerned about, our 10-kilometer behemoth, is a relative rarity. An object of this size could cause catastrophic damage upon impact with Earth. Understanding the nature of these celestial wanderers is crucial. We need to be prepared to have plans in place should one ever stray too close to home. The moment of impact would be unlike anything witnessed in human history. Imagine the 10-kilometer wide asteroid, a mountain of rock and ice, slamming into Earth at tens of kilometers per second. The energy released would be equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate impact zone would be obliterated instantaneously. A crater hundreds of kilometers wide and several kilometers deep would be carved into Earth's crust. The shockwaves from the impact would radiate outwards at incredible speeds. They would trigger earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude, splitting the very foundations of our planet. Think of a pebble hitting the surface of a still pond. Now, magnify that pebble to the size of a mountain and increase its speed 1,000-fold. The resulting shockwaves wouldn't just ripple across the pond's surface, they would shake its very core. That's the scale of devastation we're talking about. The immediate aftermath of the impact would be just the beginning of a global cataclysm. Trillions of tons of pulverized rock and dust would be ejected into the atmosphere. This would plunge the Earth into a perpetual twilight, blocking out the sun's life-giving rays. The impact winter would set in. Temperatures would plummet globally. Plant life would wither and die, disrupting food chains and leading to mass extinctions. The oceans too wouldn't be spared. The acid rain, a byproduct of the impact's chemical reactions in the atmosphere, would acidify the surface waters, jeopardizing marine life. Those who survived the initial impact would face a world forever changed. The air would be thick with dust and ash, making breathing difficult. Food and water would be scarce, leading to widespread famine and disease. The very fabric of civilization, built over millennia, would crumble in the face of such overwhelming devastation. Fortunately, amidst this potential cosmic chaos, there is a glimmer of hope. Scientists worldwide are tirelessly working on ways to detect and even deflect any potential Earth-bound asteroids. Early detection is key. Telescopes are constantly scanning the skies, mapping the trajectories of near-Earth objects. The more we know about their orbits, the better prepared we'll be to take action if needed. But detection is just the first step. If we do find an asteroid on a collision course with Earth, we'd need a plan to alter its trajectory. Some proposed methods include using spacecraft to nudge the asteroid off course or detonating a nuclear device near it to vaporize part of its surface, creating a jet propulsion effect. These may seem like ideas straight out of science fiction, but they highlight the ingenuity and proactive spirit of humanity. We are, in essence, becoming the guardians of our own planet, taking charge of our destiny in the face of cosmic threats. Let's imagine for a moment that despite our best efforts, an asteroid impact does occur. What then? Would humanity simply perish, wiped out in an instant, or could we, with our inherent resilience and adaptability, rise from the ashes? It wouldn't be easy, that's for sure. The post-impact world would be a harsh and unforgiving place, but humans are, above all, survivors. We've faced countless challenges throughout our history, from ice ages to pandemics, and each time we've found a way to endure. Those who survived in underground bunkers or remote locations would emerge into a changed world. They would need to rebuild, adapting to the new environment and creating new ways to sustain themselves. The impact would be a stark reminder of our place in the universe. We are but a small part of a vast and awe-inspiring cosmos, subject to its whims and wonders. However, it would also be a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. We would rebuild, drawing on our collective knowledge and determination. We would innovate, developing new technologies to overcome the challenges of this new world. We would persevere, because that's what humans do. This is not a call for complacency, however. It is a call to action. We need to support scientific research, fund space exploration, and educate ourselves about the universe we inhabit. Only then can we truly be prepared for whatever the cosmos may throw our way.